Hey, what's up, champions? Gediminas here. Hope you guys are doing very well. Welcome to Financial Freedom TV. And today I wanted to talk about how to make it easier to post on social media, to run your social media. So if you're watching a replay of this video, please do me a massive favor and stick hashtag replay into the comments. If you're brand new, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, please do say new in the comments as well. And if you get value from this video, feel free to share it. Maybe somebody else will get some value too. So actually, I'm broadcasting from a very special place today. It's I'm in the middle of nowhere. This is actually a summer house that I spent a lot of my summers when I was young. This is literally like by the side of a lake, you know, in the middle of nowhere. The nearest town is like 5 miles away. And when I was a kid, I used to stay here all the time. You know, we used to, grow cucumbers, tomatoes, potatoes, and things like that. You know, we used to fish every day, go collect mushrooms and stuff like that. So this is an awesome place. So I brought my wife and kids here to spend a few days, just to enjoy the nature. But today I wanted to talk about how to effectively run your social media. And the top tip for running your social media is to have a content calendar, right? So what is a content calendar? Well, a content calendar is basically a plan for your social media, right? So if you're going to be running your social media, how is it going to look like? Right? Are you going to do 1 post a day, 2 posts a day, 3 posts a day? Is that going to be, a video, a photo, a quote, an article? What is it going to be like, right? Because the more you prepare, then the easier it is to actually do it. Because it's hard when you have to every day go, oh my gosh, what am I going to post today? Oh my gosh, what quote am I going to write today, etc. So when you're struggling to produce content, that's when it's difficult, right? But when you make a plan, one, on the type of content you'll be producing, so whether that's Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn or YouTube or whatever it is, right? Once you decide, okay, I'm going to be posting so many times a day, I'm going to be posting this type of content, right? So maybe, so many pictures, so many photos, so many videos, so many lives and things like that, right? Then it becomes much easier, right? Because you already know the shape of how your social media will look like and the sort of pattern that you will be following. The next step then is to actually prepare things you're going to talk about, right? And again, it's less about creating and more about documenting, right? So if you're reading a book, why not write, why not do content out of what you're reading? If you're watching a video program, why not produce content from the stuff you're watching, and so on, right? So one key tip here is to become a collector of ideas. So every time you read something awesome, you watch something good, you hear a great question or a great idea, start making notes, start writing down those ideas, because these are the things that you'll be able to use for your social media, right? Also, it's good to maybe start a notebook and just to sit down and go through all of your old notes, all the notebooks, all the, books that you read and things like that, to really pour all the ideas in one notebook where you can have loads of topics. Especially if you're planning to do Facebook Live videos, then you want to have so many topics that you never run out of things to talk about, right? So one of the things that helped me was when I first decided to, go live every day, do different videos about different ideas, to do with personal development, etc. I just sat down, took a new notebook, and I wrote down like 120 or 130 topics that I could talk about, right? Now, these topics might be 2-minute videos, 3-minute videos, etc. These are not huge topics, but ideas, thoughts that you could share that would be useful to somebody else. You know what I mean? So I did that, and that took away all the stress from me, because I knew, wow, for the next 100 days, I have topics. So I don't even need to think about it. I just, get my phone out, press go live, open my notebook. Oh, I'll talk about this today, right? And I just go off and talk about that. So it makes it much, much easier. And then from then on, I just became a collector of ideas. So every time I talk to somebody, I hear somebody say an idea, I just grab my phone, go into notes, make a topic, right? Make a note of the topic so that next day I can use that topic for my video. So that's it for today, my friends. I hope you got value. If you did, feel free to share it. Have a great rest of your evening, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now. See you later.